Ready? Action. He means life here has been getting out of synchronization. Journeys that we've gone on become now going to happen.
I'm just imagining.
Vifnit. I'm gonna stand it. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Diaries. I'm not really loud right now because it is 25 minutes after 11 p.m. and I have to get up at like 6 o'clock to get on a plane to fly out to Florida. So this is the episode where I'm going to go out to Florida to visit my daughter, and we're going to do some things, and I'm going to try to get as much video as I can without it getting in the way. So it's late. I have to get up early. I'm pretty tired, and if I don't go to bed now, I'm going to be at the airport like this. And that's not good. I'm getting a ride there and back again. And in case you couldn't tell, I am holding the camera. And now you know where the light is located in the front room right now. Anyway, so let's keep this intro short. That's pretty short. So, without any further ado, let's get going. Well, it's Tuesday night, and you might be thinking, my gosh, your daughter's place looks just like yours. No, this is mine. You know why this is mine? Because I missed my freaking flight. That's why. I missed it because they kept changing the gate, and I didn't keep my eye on the constant changing of the gate, and they finally changed it from gate 22 to gate 5, which is like at the opposite end of the terminal, and by the time I got there, the plane had taken off. So, yeah. So, they booked me on another flight, same time tomorrow, and I got a ride down there and everything, but now I'm missing one day with my daughter, and that makes me not happy. But things like this happen. Everyone's been telling me, it happens to everybody. Good. Let it happen to everybody. Just don't let it happen to me. I want to go out and visit my daughter. I want to get away from here for a while. Here meaning here in general. And just take some time and crash and burn. Now, instead of having the equivalent of 3 days, I have the equivalent of 2. And I say the equivalent because I should get there around 4 in the afternoon, and I don't leave again till Friday. I don't have to be to the airport till like 6. So that basically gives me 48 hours. And yeah, so I'm not too happy with myself at the moment, but it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm going to go to bed. I have to get up about 6 to be able to get to the airport in time and do all the stuff. My flight leaves at 9. I have a ride coming at 7:15, so shouldn't be an issue. Shouldn't be is the key phrase. Okay, now I'm in the right place. And I'm very exhausted. Let me tell you a little about the adventure today. I got out to the airport on time. Got there about 7:30 in the morning. My flight was at 9. I got to the right gate. It's all ready to go. Started loading the plane. Got to the door part, you know, where they go to the door that goes to the gangway that goes down to the plane, right? Everyone's gone through. I'm at the door, and all of a sudden they stop us. And they say, there's a mechanical difficulty. And they bring everybody back out again. They said it would be probably another half an hour before they're ready to load. I got on the plane finally, 3 hours later. 12:30ish. Got here 7:30, almost 8 o'clock, Florida time. So it was like, 4 or 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock my time. And the plane, they did not tell me, was the Turbulence Express. Because it was the whole way. It wasn't too bad. I mean, it was consistent, but it wasn't like the plane didn't go or anything like that. So I got here. My daughter and Richard were waiting at the terminal. We went and got some Colonel Freyberg standard flying chicken, and just kind of hung out tonight, watched some TV, some automotive stuff that Richard likes, and I like to watch it. And tomorrow we'll go do something. But my total 3-day, which got shrunk down to 2-day, now got shrunk down to 1.5 days, because instead of getting here at 5:36 in the afternoon, I got here closer to 8 o'clock in the evening. So it has been an adventure, let me tell you. So I got some stuff that I will show you. My daughter gave me a tour. I'm going to do it again. It's a place has changed a bit since the last time we were out here. We're going to Disney Springs tomorrow at some point in time. So I'll take a camera for that. I don't expect this to take the whole episode, but it might. I don't know. But yeah, at least I got here. And in a day and a half I have to go home. Well, didn't even get a shot. There we go.
We're going on the golf cart.
What's that?
We're going on the golf cart.
That's what I figured. I just walk around to the other side. Okay, so we're going down Stephanie's hot rod. You're wearing Crocs.
They're not real Crocs, but yes.
Okay, so here we go. See how much things have changed in here outside of this guy's big ass garage.
Yeah, which blocks our view of the lake.
Yeah.
Totally took our lake view. I was so upset.
Is he gonna sell?
I don't think so. I think I'm dying.
My daughter thinks she's dying. She waited till I came out to do something.
I know. I haven't been sick in like years.
Man, don't feel bad. You're always sick when I'm around. You know that.
Dad, you make me sick.
You do. But at least it's your toilet paper going, not mine.
A lot of fences are still down from not this hurricane that just happened,
Yeah.
but the hurricane that happened last year. People just can't afford to get their fences put back up. And then a lot of people don't even have fences.
They don't blow down that way.
What do you think of our fence?
Well, I saw it in the dark. I haven't really
Yeah,
seen it in the
that's true.
daytime, but it looked pretty good.
That's our little boat ramp. We take the golf cart down there at dusk and watch the bats fly over the lake. You went on the golf cart ride?
There we go.
You going on the golf cart?
Going on a go-kart, going on a go-kart ride!
Here, I'll show you the front of the yard. So sorry.
Alright, so we're coming out to the Florida room. We had these in Arizona. We call them the Arizona room. That's Stephanie's happy place.
Then his truck's over here.
Yeah. And a dead washing dryer.
Dead dryer and a dead,
This Used to be one of those. Now it's one of these. Okay, we're going to a place called Twisted Props, which is a restaurant in Winter Haven. So we're not going far.
Nope.
I'll show it to you when we get there.
You're gonna get them. Those boxes, you guys gonna take them home now. You don't? Daddy, you next time.
I was going to say, I don't want my back to the viewable locations. Well, that's water. That's a duck. That's a flag. That's my daughter. That's Richard. That's me.
Sounds so enthused.
I'm sleepy.
See my cool sunglasses?
Cool.
Richard and I have the same pair.
You guys signing in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want something to drink?
Do you have Diet Coke?
Regular Coke's fine.
I have Diet Coke.
I'm sorry?
Diet Coke, yeah. Market price, it says. For wings, market price. Just to keep you guessing. It's pretty darn humid out here. I can't understand why. Except that it's Florida and we're by water and it's hot.
Natural moisture.
Yeah. Mother Nature is very moist around here.
It's not that bad.
So I decided to get the typical, more elegant Floridian cuisine of a cheeseburger. If I was home, what would I be having?
A cheeseburger.
That's absolutely correct.
You didn't want the gator bites?
No, I didn't like the sound of it. It sounded kind of
It's
threatening.
very chewy.
On bet.
It's not chewy, it's stringy? No, that's turtle. What is it?
Yes, I'm taking a picture of my food. Probably one of the best cheeseburgers I've had in a very long time. But this is a fry. My daughter has a shrimp sandwich with self-ejecting shrimp.
Yep.
Richard's got onion rings the size of Michelin tires. And what is that?
Grilled fish or fried fish sandwich.
A fried fish sandwich.
Wrap.
It's pretty good. We're heading to Disney Springs after a joyous and exciting adventure around the parking garage. Very different from our downtown Disney. For one thing, it's not entirely under construction.
Go ahead and look at it.
So Stephanie just discovered a churro stand and
I did.
had this reaction.
Churros!
Except it was louder in front of more people.
Yes, it was. Church.
Oh, I missed out. I missed out on these two looking for a way to demean their pet.
Costume for our baby.
Costume for our baby. They got a little Walt Disney World t-shirt.
We can make her a chicken.
Hey.
We can make her a chicken. Tiny little, these old boats.
They pedal boats?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Just large enough for 2 people.
Well, this shirt certainly isn't themed out.
Stuff I want.
These are fruits.
So we're at the Rainforest Cafe here in Fla, and Saturn is out tonight. This place is just a tad more elaborate than the ones that I've been to.
There's also a Rainforest Cafe and Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, I
So there's
know.
2 on property.
But I haven't been to that one either.
I know.
We're at the Rainforest Cafe, and which I've already shown you basically. But I was told, don't worry about the price, don't look at the price. And by accident I looked at the price and I got a nosebleed. But it's going to be good stuff, I certainly hope. There's the daughter, and there's speaking
The back of his
paying
head.
attention,
Really?
This is pretty cool. Once we get our storm, I'll show you the ceiling. It's pretty cool. And here we go again. Well, this trip has been a classic example of whatever can go wrong will. Missed my flight. My actual flight out here was 4 hours late. Yesterday we were at Disney Springs in the early evening and got caught in a storm. I was soaked absolutely through. And this always happens apparently when I come out to Florida and do anything Disney. I get rained on. Today is the last day. I go back to the airport in about 8 hours. And this is one of those rare occasions where I am actually looking forward to getting home. I would love to do this trip again. I'd love to take this one and start it over again, but is what it is. Sometimes things just don't work out the way you'd like them to. Right now I'm sitting on the edge of a bed that I intend to lay down on and go back to sleep for a while. My daughter and Richard have taken the little dog to the dog park, so I am going to use that time to get a little more sleep. Now, it is 9:29 right now, but to me it is 6:29, and my body is not letting me forget that I don't live in Florida. So yeah, it wants more sleep, so that's what I'm going to do with it. Now, we are doing some stuff today. Hopefully I'll get some video. If not, then you'll probably just see me fly back to, well, you won't see me fly back to anywhere. You'll just see me after I fly back to. And yeah, so that's a great Florida excursion. Not one of the better trips I've taken. But I did get to visit my daughter and Richard and their new dog, and we played some video games and we watched some movies and we hung out and did stuff. So that stuff was okay. It was all the little things that happened throughout the entire trip that just kept screwing things up. But it is what it is, and you make the best of it. I'm going to lay down right now, right here, right now. Oh, wait, I'll turn this off first.
2 hours later.
Okay, this is the place we were supposed to go to yesterday.
Welcome to Tanner's. Go. People that live here all their lives, they don't appreciate what we have in our backyards.
Yeah.
I was doing that a lot when I moved to Arizona initially. There's a lot in Arizona, and I didn't.
Yeah.
There is. I've shown Stephanie.
He showed me, our first date, he showed me a lake I'd never even heard of. I was like, what are you talking about? There's no lake out here.
There's 2 lakes out there.
There's a couple lakes out there.
There's quite a bit of lakes out there.
Saguaro, Bartlett, Canyon,
Havasu.
Havasu, Pleasant.
And the neat thing about the lakes in Arizona, you may not know, I'm going to point this at me because you may not know this either. The neat thing about the lakes in Arizona is they're portable. They just move them from one spot to another. You can never find them. And that's why. They just pick up, they dig it up, off they go to another location. That's a fact.
Used to be a town. And then they flooded it. Put an entire lake. It's one of the largest lakes in Arizona.
Yep, Lake Inferior.
It's nice out here. This is Lake May that we're on right now. All the 16 chains in the lake have names.
Oh, I hope so.
This is one of the smallest ones. The other ones are a little bit bigger.
Is Lake Howard.
Yeah.
But some of the little channels that go between the lakes are beautiful because it looks like a tropical paradise.
Yeah, it's
with
really
all
pretty.
the trees and the overgrowth and the plants and whatnot.
Okay, go film the Bartlett.
About the size of a what?
The miniature sharks. Come on. Little bitties. An osprey. When I moved to Arizona, when I left here, there was a lot of sandhill cranes, not a lot of ospreys. I moved back, and the ospreys have taken over, and there's not a lot of sandhill cranes. It's the exact opposite.
The cranes all moved to Arizona.
Look at that telephone pole right over there on the other side of those trees. That's an osprey nest.
Yeah. Alice's restaurant.
And a boat.
Walk right in, it's around the bend. Have another from the railroad track. Everything you want. Boy, life is rough, isn't it? Well, I didn't think it was going to happen, but we did make it to the Pirates Cove Mini Golf. Last time we were here, it was pretty darn amazing. We'll see how it is when we do the other course today. And here we are. Richard is going to shoot the first shot. Okay, right through the butt cheeks. Look at that.
Oh.
Hang on, it's downhill. It's creeping very slowly down there.
Excuse me, excuse me.
Now my daughter.
Oh.
Can you hold this and film me? I don't have any films of me. Thank you.
Oh. Get your water.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
There's one right there, one right there.
Not hard.
Wow. Alright, let me take over the filming of why is there two holes?
I don't know.
Alright. Didn't come back. Didn't come back. Going into the wrong hole. It'd be a rock.
Don't hit it in the water.
Beware ye. Who enters where? Here. Send me. Where am I trying to?
It's right there.
Here we go, get sun on the limb.
Ooh, that was close.
Yeah, it was. That was good for one of you to knock it in the water. Bloop. In the water. Around the edge where it went out.
Did you throw it on the floor?
Yeah, I can throw it on the floor and put it in the hole. The 1-stroke penalty. So that's number 2. And now Stephanie. Seize your opportunity to first in the lead. And she does it.
Oh, hole in one. Hole in one.
Wow. And I got it on video for proof.
Oh, yeah.
Stop banging about, stop gathering that gold. I ain't doing no such thing. Goodbye, Steppy. Goodbye. Get the road. No, stop. Don't leave me down here. Then you best be getting your hands on that treasure. Cut we will.
What's that? Yeah, go ahead. I don't think we're breaking any rules.
Excuse me. Excuse me. So close. My turn. Right?
And I didn't get any closer than you guys
No.
did. That was a waste. One, two, three.
Damn it.
I guess I'm next. It's still filming.
Green ball, straight pocket.
Green ball straight pocket. 2.
Here we go, the leader. Here's the one shot. And it's 2.
Peace.
Oh, don't go in the water. Richard, who is still in the... Well, we can't tell now.
No, Dad, you're in the
Because
lead.
Stephanie's in the
Oh.
way. No. Richard, who's not quite still in the lead. Oh. Live on
Dad,
there.
you're closest.
Okay. Okay, let me sing this one.
This is a fun golf course. I like this place.
Okay. That's really one of the sold.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Work. 2.
Go. What is that?
2. The coffee.
Too much methamphetamine. 3. Two.
Oh, that's 2 holes in 1. Woo!
That means 2 hole and 2. detail in this place is amazing. Here's the top of the waterfall I found earlier. Sure.
I think so.
Nothing cagey about that. They all came down from way up there above Richard. Came down here and they all landed right here like a bunch of little buddies. Bet that looks cool under black.
I'll go first.
Go first.
Okay.
Okay. This is it. It's for all the marbles. Good.
2. 3.
Now let's see if Richard winds up with extra marbles.
Let's see if Richard wins it here. He's gotta get 2.
Oh! 2.
3.
3.
Add it up.
Who tied?
I think we're all tied.
You two. Did we all-
Yeah, I got 3.
3 and 3.
Yeah. That'd be 3, 3 and 3.
Stephanie and I tied at 44. And you got 46.
Well,
Yeah.
damn.
That one hole got
We
you.
won.
That one hole got you.
All right, so this location's been here for 37 years. There's also a Traverse City location up in Michigan and a bunch of other ones throughout the Northeast mainly. We've got also a Kissimmee location as well, Pirates Island over by Old Town. And we have 2 courses here, 36 holes.
How come you don't have one in Arizona where I live?
You know what? I'm not sure why, sir. Yeah, I have to talk to corporate.
I know why, because it's too hot.
It's too, well, yeah, maybe that is too.
Okay, so what kind of a crew do you have to do the maintenance and keep
Okay,
up
so
with
we
that?
have a woodworker guy that does all the woodworking. Then we have 3 lawn crew guys that work full time, and they also do landscaping as well as woodwork as well for them, handyman work. We're always fixing things, and then we have a full-time artist as well. Cindy, she's great. She does all the painting and she picks out all the decor and whatnot. And then we have the inside staff, and then we have our manager Sue and Rachel,
and the pirate Nicole.
and then Carrie right here.
Carrie right there.
Hi.
Oh, nice job running to the back where I can't get you.
The phone
She-
was ringing. Hi.
Ah,
So
well, this place is amazing. I love it.
yeah,
And
we appreciate you coming in.
I've only been here twice, but
Okay.
I'll tell you what, the next time I'm here, I'll be here again.
All right, and did you get any hole-in-ones today?
They did.
They did.
They were getting holes in ones like they were giving away free beer, and I couldn't hit
Here you go,
one.
sir. Here's 1 free game.
Okay.
All right, so go over to our other location. That's 1 free game for you, and then they got to pay for the other people.
Where's the other location?
Right in Kissimmee, 192 in Old Town.
All right. Well, I may have
All
to
right.
wait until next year, but
All right, they'll be there.
well, I'll give it to them.
All right,
That's my daughter, and anyway, so.
perfect.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Just turn that on right there. I'm gonna stand
It's
here.
starting to get cloudy and gusty.
I missed it. Do it again.
Sweaty face.
Good. He
All
said
right.
it's, that's lovely, Richard. Thank you.
All right, sir, you're over here as well now.
Darn toot.
We got
Get out of
the.
it.
Here.
Yeah.
All right, so right over here, and then I'll get you guys 2.
Okay. Thank you, John.
Yeah.
We're not turning.
Right there. Just don't hit the boat. Perfect.
Damn, gangsta.
Perfect.
Finger guns
All
out.
right, you guys want to get in there too?
Sure.
There we go.
We're not tourists.
All right, perfect.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you very much.
There you go.
We actually make this place a stop every time we come out here.
Yep.
Well, I gave him a token, so you guys can go try the other one in Kissimmee on 192.
Oh, cool.
Well, they're trying to find the shortest route back to the airport. Meanwhile, I'm sitting comfortably in this back seat with the seatbelt that hates me. And we are headed for the airport, that's right. And then we'll get back
Alright, so you're gonna make a right.
to the house. To Darkslade
And
Manor.
you're gonna make a right.
Right about now! Well, let's put it this way. The visiting time that I had with my daughter and Richard were wonderful. I had really enjoyed that. But man, the surrounding circumstances were just, bleh. The plane, the late plane, the missing the plane, the thunderstorm of death that rained down on us. Just, it seemed like everything that was trying to make it more complicated did. You know, Murphy's Law and all like that. But all in all, it was a pretty good trip. I didn't film as much as I wanted to, but these things happen. But that mini golf course is amazing. God, I love that thing. And that's the one thing I really like to do when I go out there. And I don't go out to Florida very often, but that golf course will always be a stopping place. In any case, I'm going to end this episode here because whew, I'm pooped. And next episode, we'll have some new stuff. I don't know what yet. It's 11 o'clock at night. I just got home. So we will see what happens in the next episode. Hopefully I posted the previous episode. I was going to post the previous episode before I went on my trip, and I never got the opening done on it. So I'm going to do that, post that. This is going to take a week or so, and then I will post it, and all things will be wonderful. Okay, so in the meantime, you guys have yourselves a couple of great weeks, and the blind.